Obviously, ever since the High Court in Kenya gave that huge judgment to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and also indicted many Nigerian officials who were involved in that abduction and kidnap, ever since then, there has been fire on the mountain. Many of them now can no longer sleep at night. Oh. They are running helter-skelter, pillar to post. Malami now has run to join political party, hoping that in case they win election, they can hide him from any international prosecution. They are running from international prosecution because that is what is coming. I'm going to do another video in the evening on this particular one because it is so clear that they are coming for all of them one by one. And none of them will escape this justice. It is so clear that they are trying to hide, run away. None of them has come out to make any statement. Just like the way they made a statement when he was kidnapped. You saw Malami come out that time. He was even speaking in Hausa, addressing the whole public in Hausa on what happened to Nnamdi Kanu. Lai Mohammed came out and was boasting that they carried out an operation and brought Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. Buhari came out too, did a press conference, media chats, where press media were asking him questions and he was answering. But now they have lost their voices. None of them can come out to talk. Even the person that they said is Buhari, that is in Aso Rock then. Because according to Nnamdi Kanu, of which I believe every word Nnamdi Kanu says, Buhari is long gone. But even the Buhari that is alive now, they are trying to hide him, to smuggle him out of this world. Now, the new news now is that Buhari is sick in ICU, critical illness. And in fact, they have carried him to hospital now. He is on the deathbed. That is where he is. This thing they are doing, look at it, look at the news. Who are they fooling? Very soon now you will hear that Buhari is dead. Again, no. Because they know the truth. And they have used him. Obviously, this Kenyan case has come out that's going to expose him, whether he's alive or dead. They're going to expose him because very soon, I won't talk about much because in the later video today, I will still do it and tell you what is going on now. But something is happening. And now, they want to ease Buhari off. Let him just go since they know he's already gone. Let him just go because if they say produce him now, cannot produce him. Now, they are running out of this world one by one. And I said it here before. Remember in my former video, I said those people that seek to end Nnamdi Kanu's life, one by one, they will go before him. Look at the way they're running. Now, Buhari now wants to go again, a second going. Look at the news now. Why is it after this court judgment that all of a sudden they are beginning to find themselves in one hole or the other, in one place or the other, hiding, instead of coming together as one to address the situation? Why can't they come together as one the same way they came together as one to boast about this kidnap and abduction? Why can't they come together as one again to still hold their word and stand on that word that Nnamdi Kanu was actually invited to Nigeria? Why are they hiding in political party? Why is Malami going to hide in ADC? Because now he has been abandoned by the APC, of course, and of course the federal government knows all their secrets, and now they are quarreling. So it's very obvious that it's possible that it can be leaked. With a little cooperation from Kenyan government, what Buhari did can be leaked. So the only way now is for all those CPC to go and join the ADC to hide their shame. Now they have decided that Buhari should be eased off. This story of Buhari being alive and stuff, it is over. Let us just let this man go. Because this Kenyan matter will hook us. It will hook us. Now they have decided to buy the Buhari themselves. All of a sudden, Buhari is in ICU. And none of his family members are saying anything about it. His wife has not spoken about it. His son and children have not spoken about it. Even his closest friends have not spoken about it. It is all of a sudden influencers on social media who are speaking about it. Which Buhari are you talking about actually? Because you see that Buhari, once they summon him, you people will go and raise him from the grave. His bone will come and answer for what happened to Nnamdi Kanu. All this one people are hiding in political party here, dodging it. The hand of justice is coming, and all of you, one by one, will be made to answer in international criminal court. Because it is so obvious. What you did, you will not escape it. The time is coming where justice will be served. I have said it many times. There are bandits in this country that have been wreaking havoc in the north. Terrorists going around the bushes, going around the farms, abducting, buying, and other things they do to our women. But never one day have they gone to rendition or kidnap these bandits using state power. People who are in your country. But it's the one that is in far away Eastern Africa. You lavished billions of dollars, paid international conspirators, bribed your way all through, and renditioned this man with private jets down to Nigeria and threw him like tissue paper into the toilet. Let him rot and die. And now, the die is cast. The truth is out. Kenya government has changed since then. And this new president does not care about anything but his stay in power. And the judiciary in Kenya is transparent enough to realize that what the former government did, Uhuru Kenyatta did, is an international crime. And unfortunately, it seems as if the former president and the present president don't see eye to eye. Because Kenya is not Nigeria, where things go anyhow, where things are done anyhow. There is rule of law there, and the rule of law has spoken. So now, I will say it again. Where are you people running to? Because the hand of justice is coming. It's better for you people to come out now and hand over yourself to the international community by yourself. The best option for you people right now is to find a way and lobby Nnamdi Kanu out of that cell quietly. That is the best option for you now. Because the longer you keep him there, the more shit you are heaping on top of your doorstep. The more debts you are putting in front of your gates. Because you cannot, I say it again clearly, you will not escape the hand of justice. It's obvious. So go now and do the right thing. Come together as one. The same way you came together to kidnap this man, the same way you have to come together to release him. And wash your hands clean of all this. And just pray that there's no backlash. And what pained me most is that during the first session, I think Malami even had the guts to bring, a letter to the court. Imagine, he brought a letter to the court against Nnamdi Kanu during this trial. That shows that you are still bragging. When the people that are prosecuting him now could not find the file, they had to request to the judge to get a file from you, Malami. And you brought the file. You gave them the file. The file they will use against Nnamdi Kanu. That means your hand is still on the case. You are holding some files against him. Remember, Kenya has the CCTV videos. Kenya has the explicit files. Kenya has the transfers, the financial transfers made. How are you going to escape this? The battle is not over. The table is turning. Act fast before it catches you.